I'm Ashley, I'm the director at an event space, and I love showing you the behind the scenes. So whether I show you something big budget or small budget, I feel like you can grab inspiration from anything for any event, no matter what kind of event I'm showing you. So I have a wedding today. I'm standing in the shade because it is very hot in California right now. I have the golf cart ready. We're gonna take the bride over for her first look. Okay, change of plans. The first look is no longer at the ceremony site, so no more golf cart needed. They're going to do something fun with this area right here. So we'll see what happens. Here we go, first look time. Look how pretty, look how pretty, look how pretty. Okay, now I can show you what we got going on inside. We have a sweet little centerpiece arrangement. They all hand did these earlier today. I love the addition of like real fruit, kind of fun. And they have a fun little cookie favor, which on the back is a fun story about their story. And I've said it before and I'll say it again, I love a menu, and we're having a plated dinner tonight, so they do have meal markers on the bottom as well as their names so everybody knows where they're sitting. And then this is where the cake is going to go. They're going to layer the cake with these. I'm so interested to see how that comes out. Oh, and I didn't notice there's fruit on this side too. Oh my gosh, what, does anyone know what fruit that is? And here's kind of a little overview of the room. I always love to give a little overview. DJ is gonna go over there. Sweetheart table over there. And I'm letting them bring in Portos for some appetizers because who doesn't love Portos? And then right now they are working on setting up the appetizer table. They're also gonna have charcuterie too. Here go the groom and his men. The ladies are next. Woohoo! It's the ladies' turn. Here we go. Have fun getting married! Oh my gosh, look how cute these little guys are. These guys did little parasols as favors. Such a smart idea, like I said. It's hot here in California. The music is so loud, but I really love what they did. The flowers on the gazebo. We have this fun little mirror and welcome table. And I am obsessed with this card box. It's so cool. Really getting some blues. Oh my gosh. First of all, they're so cute, but also there's a squirrel. Look at the squirrel. Ceremony's still going on. I'm gonna go check on the reception, see how everything's going. Looks like the ceremony just ended. Those are the first guests arriving. I forgot to show you, we have Connect 4 and then we have Cornhole. We have a super cute seating chart. I love this little telephone situation. And then I think this is so cool. So they're gonna have a Polaroid camera, and I watched them take this photo actually. They want them to take a photo and print 2 copies and place one of the copies here. I think that's such a sweet idea. Oh my gosh, check out this spread. It's gorgeous. All the fun Porto stuff. Little practice sesh going on, little practice sesh, love it. And that is all she wrote. I'm off for the day. My banquet captain takes over from here, and she's gonna send me some video and pictures, hopefully to update you on what the cake looks like. And just like promised, here's the footage I was sent. It looks like they took the flowers from the ceremony site and decorated the head table, and then here is the cake. I've never seen anyone do a cake like this. It's kind of a fun idea. See you at the next event.